Hello friends, Hannah with you. I'm glad to see you visiting my channel. Today I will crochet such a summer skirt with ruffles. It's a wonderful thing in your summer wardrobe since it can be combined with any tops, the lessons for which will also be on my channel. So subscribe and give your like if you want to see more tutorials, and let's start. So I will using a living color Algodon as 40% acrylic and 60% cotton, and this color in 50 grams 135 meter this yarn. Also you will need a scissors and 2.5 millimeter hook, a tape measure, and two markers. So let's start. So we are going to start from our waistband, and for this we're making a slip stitch, and then I'm chaining 16 stitches. Then insert your hook into the third stitch from the hook with yarn over and make a half double crochet stitch, and then in the next stitch a half double crochet, and we are going to make this until the end of the row. So at the end of the row we make 2 chains, 1, 2 for turning, then turn over work and make a half double crochet, but only in a back loop like this, and another one. So we repeat this until the end of the row, only in a back loop, and then again 2 chains for turning, turn over work, and repeat in a back loop. We are going to make a half double crochet. So this is our pattern, and we are going to make it for enough rows. When you stretch your work, it is the same inches that is your waist measurements, and then I meet you again. So I finished my waistband and I did 56 rows, and when I stretch it I have my 27.5 inches, that is equivalent to my waist measurements. And now we are going to join our band with a single crochets. So let's make like this. And now make a single crochet in every stitch like this. So we are doing this until the end. So I did it, and now we should turn it inside out. And now we will be making a row of single crochet. For this, make one chain and make single crochet in this very first stitch, and then we make 2 single crochets in every row. So make it in this row and one between the rows here. And we keep going like this all around till this point. So at the end of the row we make a slip stitch to close it off, and then it was our basic row, and now we start our first row. For this we are making 3 chain stitches, and then make a double crochet in this very first stitch, the same stitch, and then we are going to make a double crochet stitches in every stitch like this. So make it until the end. So finishing our first row with a slip stitch, then make 3 chains, and then we turn our work, and we will be do this after every row. So let's start row 2, and we are making double crochet stitches in every stitch. So our task now is to make this row 2, then turn our work again and make another row, and row 3, and after row 3 we will be making our increasing. So I meet you there. So when we finish the row 3, we need to put our work like this way, and here to arrange our markers, and then we start our row 4 as usual, and we continue till our markers, and then we will do an increase. So when we are next to our marker, we will do in this stitch before it 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 and 2. Then in this stitch we make 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet in one stitch. In this way we made an increase, and then we continue with our double crochets in each stitch as usual till our second marker. So when we reach our second marker, we do the same thing, two double crochets, in one stitch before marker. Then in this stitch you make one double crochet, and then I mark it back, and two double crochet in one stitch, and then we continue crocheting as usual till the end of the row. So let's finish row 4 with a slip stitch, and again chain 3, turn our work, and in this row, row 5, we don't need to make any increases. We just crocheting as usual without increases, so all around. And then I will do an increase in row 6, and then in a row 8. So row 5, row 7 and row 9 without any increases. And then started from the row 9, I will crochet as usual till I get my desired length. So you should do the same, and then we meet again. And also I want to tell one thing. I will do my increases only in 3 rows, as I said, but if you need to make your skirt wider to your hips measurements, maybe you will need more increases, so you will make increases in this 3 rows. Then you should try on yourself, and if you need, you make 1 or 2 or maybe 3 rows more. So you should try on and continue. So I have finished my rows, and this is 15 inches the length of the skirt. And now we will do our ruffles. So for this I will use a half double crochet. So make 2 chains, and in the first very same stitch we make 1 half double crochet, and we have 2, and in the next one we also do 2 half double crochet, and in the next one also 2 half double crochets in one stitch, and in the next 2 half double crochets. So we do increasing, and we continue this way all around to the end of the row. So we close this row with a slip stitch, and for row 2 chain 2, in this stitch 1 half double crochet, and in the next 2 half double crochets, in the next one 2 half double crochets, and we do 2 half double crochets in each stitch as in the row 1, the same pattern. So continue to the end of the row. So that is what I have in a row 2, and now let's start row 3. Make a slip stitch, 2 chains, 1 half double crochet, And in the next stitch we do 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2, and in the next one again only 1 half double crochet, in the next one 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. And this is our pattern for row 3. So again row 1 half double crochet, in the next stitch 2 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochet in one stitch. So continue this way all around to the end of the row. So I have finished my row 3 and we finished crocheting our ruffles. This is how interesting they look. Write in the comments whether you like what we did or show it with your like, and until new meetings, bye!